In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator two-factor authentication for your accounts. We'll walk through enabling 2FA using Google Authenticator so your account has that extra lock on the door. Start by opening the service you want to secure, like your payment or email provider, either in Safari or its official app, and sign in. Make sure you can access your account normally before you continue. Next, head into your account settings. Look for a path similar to account settings, then privacy and security, then security and sign in, and finally two-factor authentication. The wording can vary a bit from one service to another, but you're looking for the section that controls 2FA. At this point, you'll likely be asked to verify your identity again, which might mean entering your password or confirming with a code. This is normal and helps prevent unauthorized changes. Inside the 2FA settings, look for an option like Authenticator App Setup or Enable 2FA. Choose the option to set up Google Authenticator. When you do, the service will display a new QR code along with a setup key, sometimes called a secret key. Think of this key like a master password for your 2FA. Keep it private and secure. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus icon, then choose either Scan QR Code or Enter Setup Key. If your camera is working, scanning the QR code is the quickest option. If the camera can't capture it clearly, or if the service gives you only a text key, use Enter Setup Key and type it in exactly as shown, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you scan the QR code or enter the key, your account will appear in Google Authenticator with a rotating 6-digit code. That means the app is now generating time-based codes for this specific service. Keep in mind, the setup key or secret key is typically shown only during this initial setup. If you didn't save it and need it later, you usually won't find it inside Google Authenticator. Instead, you would return to the service's 2FA settings and generate a new key or start the setup process again. A few quick tips to finish. Store the setup key safely if the service shows it, and avoid sharing screenshots. If you ever lose access to your phone, you'll need the service's recovery options or a newly generated key. With that, your Google Authenticator-based 2FA should be ready, giving your account a strong layer of protection.